Arthur is a very useful engine. He does everything properly. And he always behaves himself. Here's your delivery, Ghost Funling.
Right on time. Thanks for delivering my pumpkins.
Arthur always does what he's told. He even carefully couples up to the troublesome trucks rather than shunt them. You know, you can give these trucks a little bit of a push, Arthur. No, pushing is wrong. I don't do that. But these trucks are very troublesome. Yes, but we're not supposed to push them, so I don't do it. But nearby, an engine was about to come out of his tunnel and have some fun.
I'm ready for a day of hard work. Huh? Ooh, actually, maybe I'll just stay inside today.
It was Tom Moss, and he wanted to prank some engines. He didn't know who he'd prank, so he waited for someone to come along. And soon enough, he saw someone. It was Arthur. So Tom followed him. Arthur filled up his trucks and tried to deliver his cargo, but Tom was close behind. And when Arthur had to stop at a signal, Tom struck. He took Arthur's trucks. And Arthur hadn't noticed. Hello, Chef Funling. I have your cake ingredients.
Ah, excellent. Right on time. Hey, you don't have any trucks. You can't have my ingredients.
Arthur couldn't believe it. He'd never missed a delivery before. But then... Arthur! I just saw Tom Moss. He had 2 trucks that looked a lot like yours. They are my trucks. Where is he? He's not too far away, but he's getting away. Oh, well, the correct thing to do is to tell Sir Topham Hatt. No, we don't have time. We need to chase Tom, otherwise you'll lose your cargo for good. Oh, very well. Let's chase him. Yes, come on.
I hope they're not too long. I want to make a cake.
I'll go this way if you go the other. And Thomas and Arthur searched for Tom. Oh, he's not over here. Can you see him, Arthur? Yes, I can. He's heading straight for me. Okay, you keep him distracted while I take your trucks back. How do I keep him distracted? Arthur then saw a boulder next to the track. No, I shouldn't. We're not allowed to push boulders. Oh, but I do need my trucks back. So he put the boulder on the track and pushed it towards Tom. Yes, got him! And Thomas quickly got Arthur's trucks back. Got them! And now to catch Tom! Arthur chased after Tom. Come here! Hey, stop! And don't ever take my trucks again. Oh, Sir Topham Hatt.
What do you think you're doing, Arthur?
I lost my trucks, sir.
Well, I hope you've got them back.
Yes, we've got them, sir. Tom Moss took them, but Arthur was brave and scared him away.
Tom Moss took them? Oh, well done, Arthur.
So, you're not mad at me for losing my trucks?
Of course not. No one knows what Tom Moss will do next. I'm very proud of you for getting your trucks back.
Arthur was relieved. So Thomas gave him his trucks back so he could complete Chef Funling's delivery. And as for Tom, well, he ran back to his tunnel. He never wanted to mess with Arthur ever again.